Talking about fried chicken, the first brand that definitely comes to consumers' mind is KFC. Kentucky Fried Chicken, or well known as KFC, was established by Colonel Holland Sanders in 1930, Kentucky State, USA. Now KFC has more than 15,000 restaurants all over 105 countries, owned by parent company Yum Brands Incorporation. And in the UK, since established first branch in Preston in 1965, till now there are more than 800 restaurants all over the UK and Ireland. KFC segments its target into three groups: families with kids, teens, and young adults. KFC provides several types of menu, not only the selling point fried chicken, but also French fries, hamburger, wrap, and salad. The main competitors against KFC are Burger King, a global hamburger fast food chain from USA. McDonald's, the well-known brand for delicious fries and also Big Mac hamburger. According to Mintel 2012 market share of the chicken and burger bar market, Burger King is the third place, KFC is the second, and the leader is McDonald's. After researching from secondary data, we have an unanswered question to investigate. Does communication affect consumer perceptions and attitudes towards KFC, which link to how they behave afterwards or not? The qualitative research had been conducted aimed to understand the perceptions of consumers towards KFC, McDonald's, and Burger King. To examine whether the target consumers perceive the same messages as KFC try to deliver or not. To examine whether KFC deliver messages to target consumer via the right media channel or not. To investigate whether the messages drive the consumers to the purchasing step. To find out the trends, opportunities, and threats affected to KFC. The methodology for qualitative research is using focus group, which dividing into two groups. Each group consists of 9 respondents, both male and female, 18 to 25 years old, BC1. The finding one fish buy model. The respondents don't satisfy atmosphere and advertising from KFC, stating that KFC print ads is not clearly understood and the webpage is too plain, while atmosphere is less attractive, not lively comparing to competitors. Finding 2 means and chain model. The means and chain steps that were recognized among two groups of respondents are: expertise in fried chicken as the concrete attributes. Original best fried chicken from US as the abstract attributes. Satisfy hunger as the functional benefits. Generals feel as if the colonel cooked by himself as the psychosocial benefits. All of this can be concluded as original food perception towards KFC. Finding 3, the interpretation process. Firstly, process of exposure. Most respondents are accidentally exposed to marketing and product information by out-of-home media. Followed by attention, respondents mention it's easy to find and recognize KFC ads because of not much text to read. Next, perception. Respondents perceive the ads by size, shape, font, and color. They can also recall the identity color of KFC. These mean emotional responses. Lastly, comprehension. Even KFC ads are easy to find and recall, but the result indicated that respondents had to pay more attention so they can imply the message that KFC is not just fast food, but is for sharing with friends or family. After analysis along to the approaches to attitude formation and change model and ABC model, KFC consumer make decision with their feeling. Then they imagine the taste and then buy it. After that, they will think whether the food are going to make them fat or not, or is value for money or not. Classical conditioning. KFC should use the familiar social cues as a condition stimulus, such as logo and color. For vigorous learning, KFC communications should show tasty product picture or tasteful eating to drive consumers' imagination. In conclusion, after our findings, consumers give the priority to emotional factors, then behavior and cognition came after. So, communication of KFC should be product-oriented to well communicate brand among the target and effectively compete among competitors.